Hello everyone and welcome back to Breaking News 24 with your host Sane, and today the government thinks that the Antichrist, or the second, will bring dead bodies back to life. And schools and workplaces will be closed down until further notice. The dead bodies, or zombies, are attacking people in the states shaded in green. This includes California, Oregon, Washington, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, New York, Vermont, and many more. And now, zombie apocalypse techniques.
We interrupt this program to bring you this important news bulletin. We are receiving unconfirmed reports right now of random acts of violence and mass murder from all over the city. Details are a bit sketchy right now, and there has been no official statement by
This is a civil emergency broadcast. This is not a test, and this is not a drill. We have reason to believe that the Antichrist, or the second, is making the bodies of the dead rise from their graves and attack the living. The so-called zombies are attacking. Do not approach or apprehend these zombies, as they are considered extremely dangerous. Lock all your doors and windows, and cover all doors and windows. Stay inside and keep yourself armed with any kind of weapon if possible. You need to protect yourself at all costs. Stay tuned to local media for further updates.